How to remove delinquencies from your credit report. I'm going to give you 2 ways that I've used to be successful in removing delinquencies when it comes to clients. And if you want access to our free credit class, as well as you want to book a consultation or whatever the case may be, or even if you want to launch your own credit restoration business, then there should be a link available in the comments on our page somewhere so you can get that job done. But 2 ways to get rid of delinquencies on your credit report. This is important because a lot of times what people do is they think that it's all about getting things deleted, meaning they want to delete entire accounts. And I did a previous video where I talked about, no, it's not always about getting a whole account deleted. It's about changing the status of an account that may be serving a purpose. So when it comes to delinquencies, that's just late payments associated with things that are on your account that's reflecting that it may have been 30 days of late payments or 60 days or 90 days of late payments. That's considered to be a delinquency. Not saying social intelligence, that just is what it is. Now, if you've had 30 days of delinquency, that doesn't mean that the whole account is bad. It just means that you had some late payments in association or in the mix with some of the positive payments. So what you want to do is, first way is you want to go about using a letter known as the goodwill letter. Many people have used it, many people know about it, and some people say it's trash, but I promise you I have used it to get great success. You just got to know the right department to send it to. So send it to the delinquency or the loan department, or contact the account or the creditor and basically ask, hey, who deals with reporting things to the credit bureaus, and find out who that is or what department that is, and then send the letter attention to that particular department to increase the odds of getting that delinquency removed and the account updated to positive. The second way that I've been successful in doing it is mailing letters to the bureaus and finding some type of error or inaccuracy. It could be a billing error. It could be inaccurate last activity date. It could be inaccurate amount, and say, hey, please update account to positive and update to never late. Those are the instructions that you want to give in order to increase the chances of having that delinquency removed. Salute.